Greetings, vac fans. Well, fresh out of the repacked bearing shop, we got this lovely green Riccar 8850, and it has been waiting to do a carpet edge cleaning test with flour. Was very happy. It was just yesterday to get the bearings repacked on this guy, because boy were they ever dry. So let's see how well it does on this visual test. Well, going forward, I was getting worried. Going backward, yep, looks like it picked most of it up. Let's see. Wow, that is pretty clean. I think there's a little spot here and here, there, very minor. Hardly anything smashed on the board. Tiny piece there, tiny piece there, tiny piece there. Very good results. Probably give that like a B+ or so, but it seemed to pick up better going backwards than it did going forwards. Let's finish it up here. A little room. Thanks for watching.